Today we are reviewing a 2022 Subaru XV EyeSight. Just came out. This car has literally no mileage on it and I've borrowed it from Robust Synergy. I'm gonna go out on a long test drive. I'm gonna tell you about how it drives and handles, all the features, everything new about this year's model, whether you should buy this car or not. So this car is powered by a 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder boxer engine that makes a 156 horsepower and 196 Newton meters of torque at 4,000 RPM. The power goes through a CVT transmission and it's all-wheel drive. So this 2022 model comes with two types of driving modes. First one is the X mode that you can choose to drive in dirt or mud. Second one is the SI drive system. S stands for sports, I assume, and I stands for intelligent mode. S will give you a more sporty throttle response, and I just is much more linear. We all know what I'm gonna be driving in. EyeSight also adds in adaptive cruise control that comes in really handy when you're going out on long drives. You basically give the car a maximum top speed that you want it to go, and you will tell the car what distance to keep from the car in front, and whenever the car in front slows down, your car will also slow down so you wouldn't just run over them. So it's much more safer than your normal cruise control, which I have in my BMW. So we can't really drive the car really fast over here because of whatever is going on outside, but we are gonna try and see how this car handles in this canyon road. We are in Genting Highlands right now for those of you who are watching in Malaysia. Overall, the car is very stable. It's a bit underpowered, I must say. It could use a little bit more horsepower, but for the purpose that this car is made for, and this car is a very safe family car, I understand why it doesn't have more power than this. The steering feel is very good and it handles pretty well, and there's very little body roll in the corners, and you can really feel that the car is very stable. And the all-wheel drive definitely helps with grip, especially in rain like right now, and it helps you have more grip and traction whenever you need it. It has auto hold. It has an 8-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Automatic headlamps, which are steering responsive. Automatic rain sensing wipers. Electronic e-brake. Paddle shifters. And a rear view camera. And the GT variant comes with a 360 camera. Few more things that the GT variant has are a Bodykit, sport rims, and a leather interior. Okay, the most important thing that this car comes with this year is the EyeSight. EyeSight is one of the most important safety features that this car has. You can't really find it in cars in this price. What the EyeSight does for you is pre-collision braking and throttle management, adaptive cruise control, lead vehicle start alert, lane departure warning, and lane sway warning. Alright guys, I really appreciate it if you've made it this far into the video. If you live in Malaysia and you want to buy one of these, you can DM me on Instagram. I can get you a special deal from Robust Synergy. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, take B-rolls of me ripping in the car. It has good handling, it has a lot of safety features, it's a good family car. And do you know this guy?
Hello? Do What's going on?
Dude, what's happening? Dude. We need to give this car back. Who's this guy?